Hello and welcome to the Ministry of JavaScript. In this video we are going to be looking at another prototype method of a string which is called .search. Basically we do use search whenever we want to search the value using the regular expression, right, using the regex, and you can use a string as well for searching purpose, and in case if it is found it will return the index. In case not found it will return -1. So we do have a string of Ministry of JavaScript over here, and what I want to do, I want to find that whether the word JavaScript does exist in our string or not. So I will come over here inside the console.log str.search, and if I pass JavaScript like this, then as you can see that it is returning us the index of JavaScript. And if you don't want to pass the string like this, you can use regular expression as well, JavaScript, right? So as you can see that it is returning me the index of JavaScript, and if I do, if I pass any string that does not exist in our string, then it will return -1. So this is how you can use the search method. I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day.